Big changes are coming to how the UK manages immigration. And if you're a visa holder, student, worker, or someone applying for indefinite leave to remain or citizenship, this update affects you directly. The UK government is officially moving away from physical biometric residence permits and shifting to eVisas, a fully digital immigration status system. By the end of the year 2024, that is 31st December 2024 to be exact, all BRP cards will be phased out. That's right, if you're watching this in 2025, BRP cards have officially expired, and the shift to digital-only immigration status is now in full effect. What is an eVisa? An eVisa is a digital record of your UK immigration status that is stored online and linked to your passport. Instead of a physical BRP card, you now access and manage your visa details through an online UKVI account. Your eVisa allows you to view your immigration status, share your visa details with employers, landlords, and universities, and receive reminders about visa expiry or updates. This system started rolling out in phases over the last 2 years, but as of January 2025, it is now mandatory for everyone who previously had a BRP or similar document. Why did the UK make this change? The Home Office has said the eVisa system improves security by reducing fraud risks. It is cheaper and more efficient than producing physical cards. It makes it easier to update your information and prove your status, and it supports the move toward a fully digital UK border system. All BRP cards issued before 2025 were deliberately set to expire on 31st December 2024, even if your visa or leave to remain goes beyond that date. This wasn't a mistake. It was part of a planned national transition to digital status management. Everyone, if you had a biometric residence permit, biometric residence card, or any physical residence document before 2025, your card expired on the 31st of December 2024, and your immigration status is now managed digitally through the UKVI eVisa portal. This includes skilled worker visa holders, students and graduates, spouses and dependents, health and care worker visa holders, innovator and global talent visa holders, people with settled or pre-settled status, ILR holders, and those close to citizenship. What if you still haven't registered? If you're watching this in 2025 and you haven't set up your eVisa account, you may be at risk of being unable to prove your legal status. Although your underlying immigration status hasn't changed, failing to register for an eVisa can cause problems proving your right to work or rent, delays at the airport, and issues with accessing NHS services or benefits. If you missed the Home Office emails or letters sent throughout late 2024 and early 2025, go to gov.uk/eVisa and follow the instructions to set up your account immediately. How do you prove your status without a BRP? With your eVisa, you prove your status online by generating a share code. Here's how. First, log into your UKVI account. Next, click Prove Your Status. Then, generate a share code for your employer, landlord, or university. Finally, give them the share code and your date of birth. They can then verify your visa instantly at gov.uk/view-prove-immigration-status. No more plastic cards, no more mailing documents. What about travel? If your eVisa is active and correctly linked to your valid passport, you can travel freely. UK Border Control now checks your immigration status digitally, using your passport number. However, if you've renewed or replaced your passport since getting your eVisa, you must update your eVisa account immediately. Otherwise, border officers may not be able to find your status when you return to the UK. What about new visa applicants? Since late 2024, new UK visa applicants, including students, workers, and dependents, have been placed directly into the eVisa system. You may still receive a vignette, a visa sticker, in your passport to enter the UK, but once you arrive, your full status is managed online only. The Home Office no longer issues BRP cards as of January 2025. What if you're offline or need help? The UKVI has launched a support program for migrants who may struggle with digital access. Services include assisted access centers for face-to-face help, telephone support for account setup, and in some cases, printed confirmation letters if digital access is impossible. But in general, you are expected to manage your visa digitally. Key things to do now. If you haven't already, register your UKVI account at gov.uk/eVisa. Link your valid passport to your immigration status. Update your eVisa account if your passport or details have changed. Save your login info and keep it secure. If you hold ILR or pre-settled status, you're also expected to manage your details through this new system. Final thoughts. The UK is one of the first countries in the world to move fully to a digital immigration status model. This change was planned, deliberate, and now active. So if you're still relying on an expired BRP, it's time to act. Your visa remains valid, but you must prove it digitally through your eVisa. Stay ahead of problems. Avoid job delays, travel issues, or NHS confusion. Set up your eVisa account now and keep it updated. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Visa Pathway UK is not affiliated with the UK Home Office. Please consult a qualified immigration advisor for personal support. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments. Have you switched to your eVisa already? Any issues or concerns? Like and subscribe to stay ahead of every immigration update in 2025 and beyond. You're watching Visa Pathway UK, helping you move smarter, live better, and stay informed.